Hey, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't been here before, my name is Ayla. Please go down below and subscribe, like, comment, whatever you want to do. I really want to get to 100 subscribers by the end of the year. That would be pretty fun. So if you want to help me do that, that would be great. I thought I would do this little video today because I just got home from work. I was supposed to film a couple of days ago. I'll explain why I didn't. But anyway, I need to film a video. Haven't posted in a couple of weeks. And I just like to be consistent, so wanted to film something tonight. So I just got home from work. I wanted to do a little get unready with me and just talk about some stuff that's happening at the moment. So I thought we could do that. I literally just got home. I'm just still in my same outfit. Actually, I'll show you what I was wearing today. I can't tell if it's blurry or not, but this is what I wore. It's just literally white hoodie. My mum made it set, and then I just wore my Air Forces. I don't even know why I have these AirPods in right now. I've lost the case. I don't even know how, because they're always together. Like, they're always either in my bag or wherever with me. So I have no freaking clue where it's gone. I suspect, because it's London, that it's like slipped out of my pocket or my bag or something on the tube or somewhere, and somebody's thought it was a proper pair of AirPods and like stolen it, only to realize later that there was no freaking AirPods in there. Probably. So who the frick knows? But anyway, no AirPods. That's one story to start off with, I guess. But yeah, I thought my outfit was cute today. Love that for me. It's my first day back. I had 9 days off and it's my first day back at work today, so I'm super tired. I'm gonna try and do a cool transition. I haven't seen anyone do this before. Let's see if it works. Oh, Jesus. I fell over. It was never gonna work because of the focus, okay? But do you like this hat I made? I made it. I know I just said that, but I made it. Look, look. It's like a little mushroom, isn't it cute? I made it with no pattern, no measurements, no instructions of any kind. I just literally winged it. And it's reversible. Oh, that's a bit of a bit I messed up. But anyway, we're not going to talk about it. It's reversible, basically. Let's go take my makeup off. I'm well aware the lighting here is not going to be great. It's literally nighttime, so I've got my iOS all the way up. Usually, oh my god, you can see me. If I look at the camera, can you see me? Usually when I take off my makeup, I would do a double cleanse. I'm not gonna lie, I've been super lazy recently, and I know this is bad for the environment. I'm gonna go back to cleansing soon. But today, we're just gonna use, I'm gonna get my face out of that little reflection. We're just gonna use some cotton pads. I usually only use like 2. Just some Garnier micellar water. I'm not going to go through my skincare routine just yet because it's a little bit all over the place at the moment. Ideally, I'd like to do like a full video on it, and I am qualified in dermal science, so that would be a pretty cool thing to do, like to actually explain the ingredients and stuff. But just because like moving from, I know it was like literally 6 months ago, but moving from Australia to the UK, my skincare has changed up a bit recently. I also work for a skincare company, so you know, I don't want to go too much into only their products, which obviously is what I use because I work for them. So it's a little bit like, I'd rather just avoid it for now. But yeah, I basically just take off my makeup using these on a day when I'm lazy. If I'm feeling proactive, I will double cleanse. I also, oh my god, I have lashes on, I forgot. Ready for some satisfying. Just grab and pull. It doesn't like rip your eyelashes or anything as long as you don't have a super strong glue on, but I feel like it's kind of satisfying. Done. Okay, so once you've taken your lashes off, usually, you take all your makeup off, you get those really pretty visuals, really gorgeous face things. I usually go over with one first just to like kind of dismantle the makeup a little bit. Oh fuck, you're gonna fall. Stay there. Because I had to have a lot of makeup on for work, I am gonna do a third one. Usually I wouldn't do that, but for work I have to have a little makeup on. But yes, I would try to usually avoid doing this, but I'm being lazy. Sorry. Can't forget about these little guys. And then I'm not gonna cleanse just yet. I'm gonna cleanse when I'm in the shower, just because that's when I usually like to do it, and use my little, oh, you can see yourselves in the little setup here, my little Foreo. I usually just at this point splash my face with water just to get all the micellar water and stuff off. Now what we're gonna do, well what I'm gonna do, you're not coming with me, is I'm gonna jump in, sorry I'm looking in the viewfinder so much. I'm gonna jump into the shower. I'm gonna wash my hair tonight just because it kind of needs it. It's a bit greasy and gross. I'm gonna wash my hair. I'm gonna use my Foreo as well, and then I will be back. Like anyone does, I'm gonna go ahead and get into a cozy outfit. Let's do that. And we're all cozy. I don't know if that transition worked. Who knows? Whatever. This is my hoodie, by the way. I don't know if I talked about it before, but I love it. Basically, at this point in the night, I would usually clean up because I'm a mess. Mess. Be gone. Do. And tidy enough. That'll do. I'm super excited about, I don't know if I explained it on my YouTube yet, but everyone who knows me personally knows that I live in London. So basically, yes, we're kind of like renting off of the tenants of this apartment. So it's all still their decor, it's all still their stuff in here. So it's kind of like, doesn't feel like home, if that makes sense. But anyway, we got the text message. We really like the apartment. We've like had such a nice time here, and we've got such a good deal going with the girls. So it's been really, really good, but it was always going to be temporary. So we got a message a couple of days ago saying that they want to move back in, which is all fine. That was all part of the agreement. And they gave us a month's notice, which is perfect. And so basically we started the hunt on Monday, it's Wednesday now, for apartments to rent. Yeah, Monday we started, like, it was like Sunday when we found out. Sunday night we started searching. Monday we had some viewings. And then literally we had a viewing Monday night for this apartment that is literally just down the road from us. Like, it's so close, it's not even funny. Went really well, and spoke to the guy. He pretty much said that there was some other people interested in the apartment that had said they wanted it, and we were like, oh damn it, like, we really like the apartment. And then the next day he messaged us to say that it was ours. So I don't know what happened with the other people, but like, it was ours. So it was amazing. So literally within 2 days we've like nailed down an apartment. We still haven't signed a contract yet because he still has to like write it up. Like, it was really quick. But yeah, and the landlord is so nice, like so nice. And he's also Aussie, so that's cool. We have that in common. And yeah, so I'm so happy. I think it's going to be really nice because it's going to be a little bit more hours. Like, I love this apartment, but just because it's got everyone, like someone else's things in it, it doesn't feel like yours. And even though the other apartment we're going to be renting, it's first of all, it's in a house, so it's a flat inside a house, so there's several flats in the house, and it's going to be ours. So like, there's not going to be pictures of other people in there, and it's not going to be like other people's clothes in the closet, you know. So it's like, it's going to feel a little bit more permanent. And the other good thing is, like, Will and I are here until 2022, most likely. Like, that's when my visa ends. So, you know, if all goes well, we'll just stay there. Like, we'll stay in that apartment. So this could be like more of a permanent thing. So I'm so excited. I just wanted to talk about it because it's like, we were literally so lucky. So lucky. Like, I had to view 3 apartments, and then the third one was the one that we took. I'm hoping to do like a packing vlog, moving vlog, a new apartment tour, and yeah, I'm just really excited about that. Basically, I'm gonna dry my hair now, so let's do that. I'm gonna dry my hair. See you in a minute. And she's dry. Lovely and dry. So that's it for today's video. If you liked it, please like it down below, leave a comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Get me to 100, please. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.